What is up, guys? Welcome back to Anthony Moresco Auto Garage, and today on this beautiful Sunday I have something special for you. This is especially special for all the detail lovers. Don't you hate when sap gets all over your car? Right there, right there, there. Sap is very, very bad for paint. It will eat away once it gets hard on the glass. I gotta get that crack fixed. Once sap gets hardened onto your paint, good luck getting it off. You could damage your paint, or even worse, pull off the paint.
Yeah, my life be like, yeah, yeah, my life be like, yeah.
So, I have a very special video for you guys today on the channel that deals with getting off sap. So, what I use to get off sap is turtle wax bug and tar remover. This stuff is the best stuff in the world. It'll get anything that's caked on off the car. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Take it, go directly onto where the sap is, and spray, 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 spray. Just let it sit. Just let it sit and do its job. Looks like some sap on that one side. This is my dad's car. They just got back from vacation, and he asked me to get the sap off, so I thought it'd be a good idea to use it in my video. So once it sits for a little bit, take the towel and just wipe it away. Look at that. It's gone. And just wipe it away. It's all gone. Look at that. It's all gone. As you can see, there is another one right here. Same method applies for windows. You just spray a little bit, let it sit, and then just wipe it away. Might have to do it a couple times. I got lucky on this one, and one time is all needed. Alright, so now you see all those swirl marks, and now I'm going to show you how to get all that gook and uneven, all that bad looking spread out. Chemical Guys Waterless Wash. I love Chemical Guys. Hands down my top car wash soap I use. Turtle wax I use obviously for the bug and tar remover. Found turtle wax is the best. But here, let me show you. Spray it on. And just wipe it. Car looks brand new. So I'm going to do that on all the spots we touched. I want to see how it looks after. Stay tuned. And there we go. Look at that. No more sap on the car. That is all for today. As always, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell button for post notifications, and I will be back with more videos. Peace. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.